From the prison cell in Akká's dust, a voice arose unbound by chains. Bahá'u'lláh spoke, the ocean stirred, waves of light across the plains. No throne, no crown, no single helm, but unity in every breath, a revelation vast and deep, awakening life from seeming death. It's just the tip of the iceberg rising from the sea of His endless grace. It's just the tip of the iceberg rising from the sea of His endless grace. 9 in council on Carmel's height, 90 voices in sacred space, 9 more in shadow guiding the flow, Counsellors carrying the flame below. What lies beneath? What power unseen in the heart of the ocean? The dream within the dream. We peek through the mist at Haifa's ark, where the teaching center stands in wait, coordinating sparks from every shore, protecting the faith, propagating faith. Counsellors gather, pray, consult, reflect on frontiers advancing, patterns new. The 9-year plan breathes, communities grow in villages, cities, the old made true. It's just the tip of the iceberg rising from the sea of His endless grace. It's just the tip of the iceberg rising from the sea of His endless grace. Consultations light in every land, millions learning in His embrace. No clergy reigns, no power divides, only servants turning toward the tide. Oh, what lies beneath? What power unseen in the heart of the ocean? The dream within the dream. And deeper still, the current runs strong. Junior youth laughing, children singing songs, mothers and fathers building havens of peace. In the dust of the earth, the kingdom's release. No end to the waters, no shore to confine. Humanity one in rhythm divine. It's only the tip, yet the mountain below holds glaciers of justice, of mercy aglow. From Bahá'u'lláh the whole, the revelation alive in each soul. And the ocean keeps rising, the ocean keeps rising.